People want to start businesses, they go to a corporate secretarial company, they pay a few $100. They promise you a whole package of services, which includes drafting as well of constitutions, because that's one of the documents you need to file. But they use the template. And in, I guess, 90% of the time it's fine. But when there's a dispute, then they'll start looking, deep dive the template and ask themselves why they just adopted a template. Right? So one aspect of the documents that they will have are properly drafted, well thought through constitutional documents, shareholders' agreements. Right? The other aspect on their personal end would also be legacy planning, their wills, what arrangements they make within their wills for the transfer of shares or the holding of directorship after the transfer of shares. Those are made very clear. And then you find an alignment between how they plan, right? So if they have certain plans on the personal side, then they make sure the company's constitutional documents and shareholders agreement don't contradict it. Right? So I have an example where a client wanted to come to us to make certain planning to have shares given to the family members. But this was not planned ahead. So with all the shareholders agreement drafted, with all the constitution already drafted, you realize those are not going to be possible. Because, for example, your shareholders agreement may have a clause that requires a right of first refusal. And so before you can even give the shares to anyone else, you have to offer the other shareholders a chance to buy.